manger. The Virgin Mary was his mother, and Joseph was his earthly father. Three wise men came from afar. They were guided by a shining star to see King Jesus relay in a manger filled with hay. Oh, sweet Jesus. He was heralded by the angels, oh boy, in a lowly manger. The Virgin Mary was his mother, and Joseph was his earthly father.